Alright guys, here's update number 2. We just did the twins, and now I'm going to show y'all Bunny Jr. and Black. Mr. Black. I don't have a name for you yet. It's got a bunch of fluff foot and an afro. And there's some pattern in there. It's going to come out. Y'all see it? Yeah, there's some pattern in you. I think they're all... No, I think they're all boys. Come on. Come here, big guy. Okay, and now Bunny. The Bunny looks more like the twin right here instead of its other twin, and that's the twin. But I tell Bunny apart from that one because the eye line. You see his eye line? Anyway, let me get Bunny on my feet. On my hand. Okay. Bunny only has one silky foot too. Y'all see that? That one's silkied. And that one's... No, that one is silkied. Okay, they're both silkied. I thought so. But y'all see Bunny's pattern? Say, yeah, I'm showing you off, Bunny. I'm showing you off, little Bunny. I need to get a front shot of you, Bunny. She keeps facing nowhere. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. You're so pretty, Bunny. And look, Bunny's gonna have a... Come here, Bunny. I know you just spent a night outside. Look. Bunny's gonna have a little afro, too. It's gonna be so cute. Look, they all got little afros. That one has the least amount. But Bunny and Black and left twin are gonna have massive afros. Hey, bud, yeah. And Bunny's got a little afro too. I want to show y'all Bunny Senior because they looked identical as babies, except for Bunny had different. They got the same color feet, but Bunny's feet changed colors when she grew up, and she looks more like a silky, as to where Bunny Jr. starting to look less like a silky because they looked identical as babies. That's a quail that's been hanging out here. Senor Fat Boy is asleep. And there's Bunny Senior. You see how the pattern's like in there, but his feet change colors too. They're blue.